Hello and जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स। सो गाइस वेलकम बैक टू अ यूट्यूब चैनल हृदय टेक गुरु। सो आज जो मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ वो है इंक्रीज फॉलोअर्स के बारे में, यानी कि आप अपने जो इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट है उसके फॉलोअर्स और लाइक्स कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं। तो आपको करना क्या है ये करने के लिए? तो गाइस बहुत सिंपल है, आपको बस करना क्या है, आपको जाना है अपने प्ले स्टोर पे। आई विल शो यू दैट जस्ट गाइस। सी दिस get insta analyze your social profile. So you have to do one thing, you have to search this full on play store, get insta analyze your social profile, or you will get a link. It means you will get a link on my description box, यानी कि आपको जो है हमारे जो यानी कि जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स है उसमें आपको इस ऐप का लिंक मिल जाएगा। आपको करना क्या है, इंस्टॉल करना है इस ऐप को, और उसके बाद आप क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे आपको एक अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है। सो गाइस आई विल शो यू, आई विल क्लिक ऑन इंस्टॉल। सो इट इज़ गेटिंग इंस्टॉल। सो गाइस जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ये हमारा इंस्टॉल हो रहा है। तो मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ आपको यहाँ पे कितनी इसको रेटिंग मिली है। कि देखिए जो इसकी ये 10 MB की ऐप है गाइस, यू कैन सी दैट 3.8 रिव्यूज मिला इसको, और ये जो है 100K डाउनलोड्स हैं। यानी कि जैसे कि आप समझ सकते हैं कि 100K डाउनलोड्स हैं। और आई विल शो यू सम पिक्स ऑफ दिस एप्स ओनली। they see you can see that sign up option is there also there, and analysis and like comments etc, everything you will get. So guys जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं जो हमारी ऐप है जो इंस्टॉल हो चुकी है, I will click on open. I will show you, you have to click on allow. After clicking on allow guys, there is an option for login. So I have my account on this app, so I will just log in, but you all have no account. It means if you all have an account then you have to log in, but if you don't have any account then you have to click on sign up option. As you can see this sign up option is there. You have to click, you have to enter your name, email address, whatever you have email, and you have to choose a password. It means you have to choose a strong password whatever you want. After it you can click on sign up. When you will click on sign up guys, your account will be created, and I will show you something. Then after when you will create the account, I will show you by creating my account. So just a minute guys. So as you can see guys, I have entered my name, Gmail ID, and password, and I just now I have to click on sign up only. So I will click on sign up. As you can see guys, it is getting signing up. So when I will get sign up, as you can see this, you can see this, you can have to claim reward. As you can see this, and you have to click on come tomorrow, and after clicking on like, it means as just let me show you. You have a mystery box too. By clicking on this you will get or it means you will get some coins. So you have to write your username here. So I will write my username here, or wait, let me show you. I will write my username. सो गाइस जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे मैंने अपना यूजर नेम डाल चुका है। यहाँ पे ऐड पे क्लिक करेंगे। ऐड पे क्लिक करने के बाद जैसे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कि यहाँ पे आपको जो है मिल चुका है, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस यू हैव गॉट 300 कॉइन्स फ्री गिफ्ट। सो गाइस यहाँ पे जैसे आप लॉग इन कर लेते हैं आपको फ्री गिफ्ट मिलता है। यहाँ पे एज यू कैन सी 235 कॉइन्स यू हैव ऑल्सो गेट मोर। हियर इज अ मिस्ट्री बॉक्स आफ्टर 1 hour 59 minutes you can open another mystery box too. So guys यहाँ पे जितनों को भी आप फॉलो करेंगे आपको फॉलो पे जो है गाइस यहाँ पे मिलते हैं कुछ कॉइन्स। इट मीन्स यू विल सी दिस like this. You can see this is an Instagram account. You have to click on follow, then you will get 100 coins. It means जैसे इस फॉलो वाले बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे आपको कुछ फॉलो कर, जैसे फॉलो करेंगे इसको तो अपने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पे ये फॉलो हो जाएगा ये व्यक्ति, और आपको 100 कॉइन्स जो है मिल जाएंगे। यहाँ पे कहीं सब देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कि आपको जो यहाँ पे मिल रहा है ये कॉइन्स के उसमें मिल रहा है। यहाँ पे देखेंगे गाइज तो आपको देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे सेटअप प्लान करने के लिए जो हमारे जो ये अकाउंट है जो करके, तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आपको 1000 फॉलोअर्स जो आपको मिल जाएंगे 90,000 कॉइन्स में। सो 90,000 कॉइन्स आपको तो बहुत कमाने पड़ेंगे, आपके पास तो अभी बहुत कम है, 885 है। सो आप छोटा रिचार्ज कर सकते हैं अपने उसके लिए, जैसे 10 फॉलोअर्स का रिचार्ज। यू कैन से दैट देयर 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. This is an Instagram followers. This is the you can see that this is the follow list that how many followers you will get by this coins. सो गाइज जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि आपके पास अब दो ऑप्शन रहते हैं, या तो आप हर किसी को फोटोज पे यहाँ पे जैसे कि आप लाइक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको जो यहाँ पे अपने इंस्टाग्राम का पासवर्ड डालना पड़ेगा, और आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस पासवर्ड गाइज you have to enter your it means that password you have to write of that account which you have logged in to this after getting a login in there. It means when you will see that it has been logged in, then you will get a like when you will then you will get 20 coins more. It means now you have 885 coins, then plus 20 coins, you will get 20 coins for liking this photo. So I will show you that there is also option of follow too. Means if you will follow this particular person, then you will get 100 coins more. It means that 885 will be get to 985. So I will show you one more thing that which I've told you before also, that this is a plan also. This is, you can choose a plan how much you want followers. It means 1000 followers. So and that you have to earn 90,000 coins for 1000 followers. And as you can see that there is, when I will click on this option, you can see that purchase coins now. You will see that you are getting to purchase 10,000 coins. Just a minute guys, yeah, you are getting option for 40,000 coins in 1,400 and 3,150 रुपीज़ में आपको इतने कॉइन्स मिलेंगे। 1,400 रुपीज़ में आपको इतने कॉइन्स मिलेंगे। और यहाँ पे सबसे अच्छा प्लान चल रहा है, यहाँ पे जो सबसे ज़्यादा लोग खरीद रहे हैं। इट मीन्स यू विल सी दैट 80% ऑफ, इसमें 80% जो आपको ऑफ मिल रहा है इसमें। तो यहाँ पे आपको जो मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे you will get a hot plan in 590. You will get 10,000 coins in 590 only guys. In 590 if you are getting a good option, then you can do it if you want. And there's option of for 320 also. In 320 rupees you will get 5,000 coins, and in 90 rupees you will get 1,000 coins. And you will let me show you one thing more. When you will click on this option, there is option of this one also. When you will click on I will show you guys. You can see that this is the option of the profile option. When you will click on it, just a minute guys, I will show you. You have to click on it, and after clicking on it, when you will click, there is option of good add account too. When you will click on add account, you can add one more account to this Gmail ID. It means if you have a app It means that if you have one app, in one app only, you can log in 5 accounts, at least 5 accounts only. It means by clicking on add account, you can add up to 5 account only. One account has already been logged in. It means you can only log in 4 account only. There is an option for settings also. This is the option for settings. You can see that. I will show you. Settings way, when you will click on settings, guys, this you can see that verify email. There is an email verifying. So when you will click on send button, then in your email you will get a code. It means you will get a code on your email which you will enter. After entering that code, you will get 100 coins for verifying an email. You can change your email to that if I have entered this email, then you can enter new email, and after it you will get a code on that email, which that new email, and you have to enter that code here. Then you can proceed to your another account. And there's an option for change password too. You can change your password. You to write your old password first, then new password, then confirm password. There's an option for log out, notification bar, feedback, about. So you don't worry. This is share the app to get more coins. You can see there. Let me show you. Here is the option. As you can see. Just a minute. Yeah. See this, guys. You will share. Click on share. Then after getting share, it means when you will share to someone, like when I will share someone this app link, then if that particular person download that app and get it installed on his phone, then you will get more coins to what to you will get more coins, you can earn more coins. So you have an option for sharing, and you can share anywhere, that on WhatsApp, chat, Messenger, whatever you want. And this is the option for mail. If you want and get Insta app, then there is a link also, and you have to click on to whom you want to send. If that particular person, so if that particular person install that app and create an account, then you will also get coins. There's a way to add an account. I will give you an advice, or you can say that suggestion. You can add 5 account in one app, then you can make a clone of this app. Let me show you. This is the app. Yeah, this is the app in my mobile. Yeah, when you will see this app, guys, then you can make many more things like that. On clicking on this app, you can what can I say to you, that when you will click on this app, you can add 5 account only in one app. Yeah, but you have to go on Play Store and install one more app, multiple space. Then it means let me show you multiple accounts, or just getting wrong, just guys, multiple account. Yeah, you can see this parallel app, dual contact, everything. On installing this app, you can create a clone of that Get Insta app, है ना. If you have a 2 Gmail as you know, this time even people have many Gmail. Um, you can give an example of me only. I have three Gmails. So one Gmail is yet in this app. So you will see that there is a one only Gmail which I have entered. But in second app, another Gmail, third app, another Gmail. By doing this, you can add five accounts in three, and in that three apps, you can you can create only one dual app. This is your choice. Did you understand? So if you are getting that follow by clicking on follow, by clicking on likes, so guys, अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करना एकदम ना भूलिएगा, सबसे पहली चीज। और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना तो बिल्कुल ना भूलिएगा गाइज। और साथ साथ हमारे जो चैनल का बेल आइकन है उस पर क्लिक करिएगा जरूर से, ताकि आपको हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो जो हमारे अगले आने वाले वीडियोज हैं वो आपको सबसे पहले मिल सके। सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? Click on subscription button to get a notifications of my latest video. And this is a promise,